My work here at CMU is focused on constraining the future evolution of glaciers in Alaska. This is a National Park Service funded project where we're working to incorporate a time series of surface elevation measurements for glaciers across Alaska that were acquired by NASA's Operation Icebridge. And we're working to bring those measurements into a global glacier evolution model to better constrain the evolution of glaciers across Alaska. We know that glaciers in Alaska are currently the largest contributor outside of Earth's two ice sheets to global sea level rise. So we're interested in better understanding how these glaciers in the region are going to continue to contribute to sea level rise in the future. The National Park Service is interested in how the termini or the toes of these glaciers are going to respond in the future and the future landscape evolution as many park visitors access these regions of the glaciers. So some of the preliminary results of this work have already been shown at the United Nations Conference of Parties, and the framework we're developing for incorporating these measurements of glacier surface elevation change will be able to be applied to future glacier observations as they become available. I'm also leading a project funded through the National Park Service to conduct multiple ice penetrating radar surveys across Kennecott Glacier in Alaska so that we can provide detailed measurements of the glacier's ice thickness and bedrock topography. So this glacier has undergone extreme land cover changes in the past several decades. We've seen large lakes grow in front of the toe of the glacier, and the Park Service is interested in the bedrock topography in particular of this glacier so that we can understand how that landscape is going to continue to evolve in the next several decades. Both of these projects I'm working on are incorporating remote sensing observations and also field work, measurements of ice thickness, and these are all measurements that we're working to incorporate into better understanding the evolutions of glaciers across Alaska.
So Brandon's research is really trying to incorporate new observations from Operation Icebridge, which is measuring how the surface is changing over time, as well as ice thickness estimates of a specific glacier on Kennecott Glacier. And by incorporating these observations, we can really improve our projections and reduce uncertainties of what the glaciers are going to look like for various climate change scenarios.